11 Home Remedies for Mosquito Bites. Mosquito bites are not only irritating but can also spread diseases like malaria and Zika virus. To soothe the itchiness and redness, here are 11 home remedies. Honey, known for its wound healing properties, can be applied to reduce inflammation and prevent infection from mosquito bites. A single drop of honey can significantly soothe redness and itching, besides its infection-preventing benefits. Female mosquitoes bite to nourish their eggs with protein and iron from blood, laying eggs in standing water, leading to more mosquitoes. Mosquito bites typically present as red, itchy rashes that resolve within a few days but can transmit diseases such as dengue fever and yellow fever. Baking soda, when applied as a paste, can soothe itching and redness but should be used sparingly due to skin sensitivity concerns. Calamine lotion, applied directly to bites, can quickly alleviate itching and reduce redness. Arnica, a European herb used since the 1500s, is known to reduce inflammation and redness, can be applied topically in a diluted form for relief. Aloe Vera's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent remedy for calming itchiness and redness associated with mosquito bites. Research suggests peppermint oil, which contains menthol, may act as an antimicrobial, reducing the risk of infection associated with some bites. Do not apply peppermint oil to broken skin as it may burn or aggravate it. Use only on mosquito bites and other mild sources of irritation. The strong odor acts as a repellent. Here's a tip. As an indoor alternative to a spray, add a few drops of peppermint oil directly onto cotton balls and place around your house at points of entry. Applying concentrated heat through a hot water bag or medical device can improve mosquito bite symptoms. Basil oil, rich in eugenol, can reduce itchiness and rashes when applied directly to the skin. Oatmeal serves as a soothing agent that relieves itch and irritation from insect bites when applied as a paste. Chamomile, with its anti-inflammatory and wound-healing properties, can be used as a compress for bite relief. Tea tree oil, an antiseptic, can be applied in a 100% solution directly to mosquito bites for treatment. However, if symptoms like fever, headache, body aches, or signs of infection develop, it's crucial to consult a doctor instead of solely relying on home remedies. These remedies offer a natural approach to soothing the discomfort caused by mosquito bites, providing relief and aiding in recovery. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.